Here is a 16-inch Rite oscillating digital pedestal fan, and this is probably the coolest pedestal fan I own by far. I got this at a thrift store for $3. It was originally $21.99, and I'm actually excited that I got a digital pedestal fan. This is my second digital pedestal fan, and also getting rich off of pedestal fans. I have 6 of them now, at least. And go watch the assembly video, and that went pretty well. So as you can see, it's got 5 blades. Right here. These blades are kind of like the 16-inch Holmes pedestal fans with the swirly bases. It's got the steering wheel base right here, like the Laska 2520s. Adjustable height. And here's the control panel. It is digital, as you can see. Here's the back of the fan. It does tilt, as you can see. And the information. My bedroom in the garden 16-inch pedestal fan actually had the same base design where you have to screw the bottom screw into the base to put the pull on it. And it's got a high adjustment. It's not really all that tall, but there's a carry handle. Usually a lot of these pedestal fans that I have don't have carry handles. But yeah. And I honestly do not know where this fan is from. I think it's from 2007. Okay, so I guess it's probably like a Midea product, kind of is. Now let's go ahead and start this bad boy up. So let's go ahead and turn it on. I believe this is low. This seems to be low, and this fan is also oscillating. It already sounds like a lawnmower. I honestly do not know how to describe the sound. It's pushing out some came out of air to those plastic blades. It is slightly warped. Timer. I don't even know if the timer probably doesn't work. Anyway, here's medium. And here's the oscillation, like always. It's pretty smooth oscillation. This damn timer doesn't even work, but yeah, and you can see the fan is slightly out of balance. It's shaking. That's why it makes a chopping sound as well. I didn't even stop it. Okay. And here's high. It's not all that loud. It's actually, that shakes pretty much loud. But my God. And we'll go ahead and engage the oscillation again. Hope I tightened up that blade correctly. And off. very good fan for being an 18-year-old fan by now. So yeah, there it is, a summer Rite 16-inch remote control pedestal fan. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next fan video. Peace.